Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making one of the most beautiful, refreshing, and Instagram-worthy desserts you'll ever see, the Japanese Fruit Sando, also known as the strawberry sandwich. Now, I know what you're thinking, a sandwich with strawberries and cream, but trust me, once you try this, you'll never look at a regular sandwich the same way again. This dessert is light, fluffy, creamy, and bursting with fresh strawberry flavor. It's perfect for hot summer days, afternoon tea, picnics, or even as a show-stopping dessert for your next get-together. And the best part? It takes less than 20 minutes to put together, no oven required. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a delicious treat to enjoy, but also learn how to get that perfect Instagram cut. So the strawberries are beautifully displayed in every slice. So let's jump right in. Here's everything you'll need for this easy yet stunning dessert. 1 cup double cream. This will give our sandwich that rich, velvety texture. 1/4 cup sugar, just enough to sweeten the cream without overpowering the strawberries. Fresh strawberries. Pick the plumpest, sweetest ones you can find. For slices of soft white bread, ideally Japanese milk bread, or any super fluffy bread with the crust removed. That's it, just 4 ingredients. Simple, right? Step 1, whipping the cream. First things first, let's make the cream filling. In a large mixing bowl, pour in 1 cup of double cream. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and start whisking. If you have an electric hand mixer, this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're whisking by hand, it might take a little longer, but think of it as a mini workout. You want to whisk until the cream reaches firm peaks. This means when you lift the whisk, the cream should stand up on its own without collapsing. Firm peaks give the sandwich a stable structure, so it doesn't ooze out when you cut it later. Pro tip, make sure your cream is cold before you start whipping. Cold cream whips faster and holds its shape better. You can even chill your bowl and whisk for 10 minutes beforehand for the best results. Step 2, prepping the piping bag. Once your cream is ready, transfer it into a piping bag. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need a piping bag? Well, technically no, you could just spread it with a spoon. But piping gives you more control and helps evenly distribute the cream, which makes a big difference in how the final sandwich looks and cuts. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag and snip off 1 corner. Works like a charm. Step 3, layering the cream and strawberries. Take your first slice of bread and pipe a generous layer of cream over it. Don't be shy here. This dessert is all about indulgence. Next, place your strawberries in the cream. Here's the key. Arrange them all in the same direction. This is important because when you cut the sandwich, you want those beautiful strawberry cross sections to line up perfectly. Once your strawberries are in place, pipe more cream over them until they're completely covered. This keeps the bread from getting soggy and ensures every bite is filled with creamy goodness. Step 4, building the sandwich. Now, take your second slice of bread and place it gently on top. Wrap the sandwich tightly with plastic wrap. You want it snug enough to hold everything together, but not so tight that you squish the strawberries. Here's another trick. Before putting it in the fridge, take a marker and draw a guideline on the plastic wrap where you plan to cut it later. This helps you slice right through the center of the strawberries for that picture-perfect look. Step 5, chilling and cutting. Place your wrapped sandwich in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is essential because it firms up the cream, making it easier to cut cleanly. Once it's chilled, take a sharp knife, preferably serrated, and cut along your guideline. Wipe the knife clean between cuts to keep the edges neat. And there it is, the big reveal. That moment when you open it up and see those strawberries beautifully framed by the cream. It's pure joy. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this dessert so special? Simplicity, just 4 ingredients, minimal effort, but maximum impact. Versatility, you can swap strawberries for mango, kiwi, grapes, or even a mix for a colorful fruit sando. No baking required, perfect for anyone who doesn't want to deal with ovens or long cooking times. Skill building. You'll learn how to work with whipped cream, practice clean cutting techniques, and master presentation. Plus, Japanese Fruit Sando is a great example of how Japanese cuisine values aesthetics just as much as taste. You're not just making food, you're making something beautiful. Extra tips for success. Bread choice. Use the softest bread you can find. Japanese shokupan is ideal, but brioche or milk bread also works. Avoid dense breads. Fruit size. Medium-sized strawberries work best. Too small, and they won't fill the space. Too large, and they'll make cutting messy. Serving. Serve immediately after cutting for the freshest taste and best texture. So there you have it, a quick, easy, and absolutely gorgeous Japanese fruit sando strawberry sandwich that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And I'd love to hear from you. What fruit would you try in your own fruit sando? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.